Hello, this is a video on how to do the setup wizard in your course to let students see their final calculated grade. So I went to grades in the nav bar and then I clicked the setup wizard tab. The setup wizard has 7 steps, so I'm going to walk you through it. The first page just shows you your current settings. You'll notice there's a section on the grading system, final grade to release, grade calculations, default grade scheme, managing view display options, and student view display options. I'm going to click start. Your gradebook is set up on a point system, so I'm not going to change that. We'll leave that just the way it is. Scroll down and click continue. And then what we want to do here is we want students to see their calculated final grade. This means that the grade they earn is the grade they're going to get. This is the way most of us do our grades. The adjusted final grade allows you, just what it says here, it allows you to modify or adjust users' grades before releasing them. But typically, most of us just use the calculated final grade, which again is what the grade the student receives just based on a straight calculation. And then we like to check this box right here that says automatically release the final grade. And so this allows students to see their final grade once it's calculated. And there will be some other steps along the way that we will check to make sure that that grade calculation is staying up to date. But this is step 2. Click continue. For step 3, we like to drop ungraded items and then go back and actually, when we grade, if a student has earned a 0, then we put a 0 in there. But like we say, we like to drop ungraded items so it doesn't drag the student's grade down. And we like to automatically keep that final grade updated so students know what their overall grade is all the time. And then we click continue. I don't do anything here on the schemes, so we just scroll down and click continue. I'd never change the display options to as the default, and it works just fine, so I click continue. And then on the very last page, this is what students see. So they'll see their points grade. If you wanted to assign a color to that grade, you could, but that's not very important. What is important is to check this box right here that says display final grade calculations to users. So now through steps 6, you've now selected 3 different times for those grades to be visible to students and calculated correctly. And that's everything. On the final step, step 7, it just, you review everything that you've done. And then you click finish and that takes effect.